Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. Under the hood is a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, tires are in good condition. We've got a black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Come around back here, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, set up fresh clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with blind spot assist, an anthracite poplar wood trim. We got memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Just go ahead and start the vehicle up. A rear view backup camera, our radio, navigation, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our command center with our dynamic selects. This vehicle has 29,796 miles on it. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.